HaKadosh Boker Or. We're just going to continue with the halachot. This is a very interesting halacha. Siman Kuf Kav Zayin Siv Bet. Maran is talking about a case where there's no Kohanim. How do you do then Birkat Kohanim? So Maran says, Im en sham Kohanim, if there's no Kohen, Omer Shliach Tzibur, the Shliach Tzibur is going to start Elokenu Revotenu, Barechir Barecha Meshulesh Batorah, until Va'ani Avarechem. Until you say the pasuk V'samot Shemei Bnei Yisrael, Va'ani Avarechem. Ve'en HaTzibur Unim Amen, right? Ela Keni Ratzon. We're not supposed to answer amen. We only answer Keni Ratzon. So now what is this entire inyan of saying V'samot Shemei Bnei Yisrael, Va'ani Avarechem? So it's brought down over here, that this is already brought down based upon the Bet Yosef. We're not allowed to mention the name of Birkat Kohanim unless you're going to be a Kohen. If you're a Kohen, you're allowed to do Birkat Kohanim. If not, you're actually going to be Nosen Shem Shemayim Levatala. And therefore, by coming and saying this pasuk of V'samut Shemei Bnei Yisrael V'ani Avarechem, in essence, what you're trying to do is you're trying to make it as if you're reading it from the Torah. And what you're doing is you're reading like psukim. Once you're reading a psukim, you're allowed to read a pasuk from the Torah, so there's no problem whatsoever. However, the Mishnah Berurah brings down their minhag is not to say it. So they don't say V'samot Shemei Bnei Yisrael V'ani Avarechem. What's their minhag based upon? Their minhag is based upon, he says, the Magen Avraham brings down in the name of the Tur and Rashi, that the fact that they already said Barechenu B'bracha Meshuleshet B'Torah, and they already said that it's a bracha which is Meshuleshet in the Torah, so now you don't have to say now V'samot Shemei Bnei Yisrael V'ani Avarechem. Why? Because the fact that you already mentioned that this is a bracha which is mentioned in the Torah, and now that we are the ones that are giving it over, because obviously he's not a Kohen, and there's no Kohanim in the Bet Knesset. So therefore, what happens is, you don't have to say it. Our minhag, obviously, Bnei Sfaradim, we do like Maran, that we do say it. However, though, this is only going to be said when there's no Kohanim. If there's Kohanim, there's no need for saying it. Because when there's Kohanim, they're the ones that are doing the Yivarecha. It's not us. So once they're doing it, they're allowed to be Nosei Shem Shemayim. Because again, they are doing the Birkat Kohanim. So Shliach Tzibur, when he's going to be doing the Birkat Kohanim, if there's no Kohen, he would say V'samot Shemei Yisrael. And if there is a Kohen, he's not going to mention. Why is it that we call it Bracha Meshuleshet? Ben Ishchai says because the Torah gave us this brachot b'zchut HaShlosha Avot. So since it's b'zchut HaShlosha Avot, that's what we say Bracha Meshuleshet, that it's a three-way bracha. Another explanation brought down in the Kav Chaim is because it's got three psukim. The Yakub Me'am Noez brings down, it's a bracha that it's Mitbarachim Al Yidei Shlosha, the Makri, the Kohanim, and the Kodesh Baruch Hu. Meaning there are three people that participate in the bracha. The one that's reading it to the Kohanim themselves, and the Kadosh Baruch Hu. So because of that, they come and they say that we should just pay attention to this Birkat Kohanim, whether it's going to be with the Kohanim or without. But again, this is important that when there's going to be Kohanim, we don't say V'samot Shemei Bnei Yisrael, and when there's not Kohanim, that's when we're going to say this pasuk, and Ashkenazim don't say it at all.